Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a super delicious cheesy creamy chicken bread pockets. It's crispy on outside, creamy and cheesy inside. Perfect for iftar or an evening snack. Let's get started. First, heat some oil in a pan. Add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves and 1 chopped onion. Saute it until soft. Now, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for a few minutes. Then add half tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon oregano and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Next, add 200 grams of small chicken pieces and let them cook completely. Once done, add 2 tablespoons of flour and 3/4 cup of milk and stir well until the mixture thickens. Now, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and half cup of cooked sweet corn. Mix everything well. And turn off the flame. Finally, add half cup of mozzarella cheese and mix. Now the creamy filling is ready. Take some bread slices and cut off the brown edges. Use a rolling pin to flatten each slice. Place a filling on the bread. Mix flour and water to make a paste and apply it to the edges as a glue. Fold and press the side with a fork to seal it. Now, dip each pocket into the flour water mixture. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and fry the pockets on medium heat until they turn golden brown and crispy. And that's it. Our cheesy, creamy chicken bread pockets are ready. Crispy, cheesy and super delicious, perfect for iftar. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.